It's frustrating for teachers to have to juggle so many apps. Plus, learners get overwhelmed and distracted with technology. With Hāpara Instructional Management Suite, teachers can seamlessly manage Google Workspace for Education and help students become empowered, organized learners. Teachers can easily access student work and give timely feedback, automate differentiation and personalization, and monitor activity to keep learners safe online. Learners get a one-stop hub to access their assignments, files, and announcements, whether they're in the classroom, at home for remote learning, or participating in hybrid learning. That's why Hāpara is the most effective way to organize teacher and learner workflows. Ready to learn more? Sign up today for a demo.